Hello everyone, my name is Jene and you're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. A big hello to everyone, and for those of you that are new to my channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome to my YouTube family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider smashing that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell, and also sharing the video. I would greatly appreciate that. And for those of you that are returning, what's up? I hope that you're all doing very, very well. And for those of you that live in the States, a very safe and happy Thanksgiving. We're going to be doing a full post review on this beautiful image you see in front of you. This image is called Puppies and Butterflies. This comes in a full square and a full round. This is the square kit. It has 47 colors and 4 ABs. However, I swapped out some colors with some crystals, and we'll talk about that later in the video. So you're just seeing part of the top here, and I'm just going to bring it down a little bit so that you can see the rest of the image. Unfortunately, my table is just too small to accommodate this size, but didn't this turn out beautiful? I think it is so cute. This is one of the images that I really, really wanted to do. Now again, this is a full square. There we go. And you can clearly see the butterfly. So you've got a butterfly here. We've got one in here. We've got a few right in here. There's one right in here. And then come on over here and you're going to see some butterflies right in there. There's one way down here and I don't think you can see it because there it is. So it's right there. And I believe there are a few more, one right here and one right here. There are a few butterflies in here. I would have liked to have seen a few more, but you know, to me, it looks really good the way it is. I'm not going to complain about that. So again, this is Puppies and Butterflies. Here's a beautiful little black lab right there. We have one here in the hammock. We've got this red one right here with the ball, another black lab right there. Then we have one right in here. And then you have one that's peeking around the corner right here. All right, let's put this back. There we go. All right, so let's talk about the pros and cons to this kit. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know how I am. I'm very upfront and forward when it comes to going over the pros and cons, and that includes my own store, Captured by Radiance. So there was some cons in this one. And this is something that I will be discussing with the designer, and hopefully moving forward we won't have this issue again. One of the things that we did this last round is that we were able to pick our own symbols, and I was hoping by doing that I would be able to pick out symbols that wouldn't look similar. Unfortunately, in this kit, if you have the square kit, you're going to come across a couple of patches that the number 6 and the number 9 are together, which could make it very interesting. The nice thing about it is the symbol color is black and the background color is slightly different. So you should be able to see the difference between the two, but I just wanted to kind of give you an idea that if you have this square kit, that you're going to run into that, unfortunately. The other thing that I came across with this, and again, I'm going to be talking to the designer for the next release. There was the lowercase a and the uppercase G. Now I'm going to show you this on the schematic, and hopefully I can find them fairly quickly. So here is, oops, sorry, get that angled there and get my camera to focus on it. You can see the uppercase G right here. It's in more of a light mauve color, but the symbol color is white. And then when you look for the lowercase a, which is right here, number 33, it's also in a, I would say, more of a darker mauve or a darker brown with a white symbol. When you look at the canvas without the light pad on, you can clearly see those symbols. They're very clear. But when you put the light pad on, because the background color isn't dark, it has a tendency of looking like the symbol is actually blending into those colors. So I wanted to bring that to your attention as well. Again, when I turned off the light pad, I can clearly see the symbol. Is it a real big issue? Not necessarily, but again, something that I wanted to bring out. And somebody had said to me, Jene, you know what, you're really picky. And yes, I am. And only because if I'm having that problem, I know other people will too. So I just wanted to bring up those two symbol problems. The other issues that I had, well, honestly, there wasn't any. But I will show you the amount of garbage that I did get from this kit. Now, you're still going to get garbage. It doesn't matter what kit you get. Some kits you may not get a lot of garbage in them. Some kits you may get a lot of garbage. So this is my little garbage collector. There we go. And you can see that there is garbage in there. It's not a whole lot. I would say the container has maybe a quarter of the amount that this can hold. And the garbage that I mostly collected was from the ABs. They were stuck together and I thought, nah, I'm not going to pry those apart. So that is one of the downfalls, I guess you can say, but there's really not much garbage in there. There was a few round drills that seemed to be in the kit, but other than that, not too much. Not a lot of nubs and not a lot of misshaped drills. In fact, I think the most of the misshaped drills that I caught out of this kit were maybe 3 or 4, but not very many. So let's go over the pros to this kit. One of the pros that I want to bring up is, sorry, Rain's whining. She's not happy. But one of the pros that I really wanted to go over is the glue. One of the things I love about this glue is that if you slightly misplace your drill, if you put your drill pin on it and just give it a little bit of a wiggle and then push it into place, it stays in place. It does not go back to where you actually had it in the first place. So I really love the flexibility and the forgiveness of this glue. It's wonderful. The drills were amazing to work with. Like I said, very little garbage. No inconsistency. They were very easy to work with and loved every minute of it. In fact, I pulled a couple all-nighters because I lost track of the time, and by the time I looked at the clock, it was like 4:30 in the morning. I'm like, oh, well, I guess I'll just keep going. So I probably spent maybe 3 weeks total on this kit, and like I said, a complete joy to put together. The other pros to this kit is you get 4 amazing AB drills that is included, and I have to say, because I do work with the schematics on the canvas, it's really, really nice to have this schematic upside down. It really was helpful. All right, again, guys, this is called Puppies and Butterflies. It comes from Capture by Radiance. It's a 60 by 80 full square, and it does come in rounds. 47 colors, 4 ABs. And let me know what you think down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Also, I have a huge announcement to make. For those of you that are interested in any of the kits at Capture by Radiance, Capture by Radiance will be having a big Black Friday sale, and I mean big. This means that if you go over there and purchase anything in their store, it could be Any kits, the pre-ordered kits that are listed, diamond painting pins, accessories like enhancers or cover minders, everything in the store from November 23rd until November 30th will be 40% off. You heard me correct, 40% off. All that information will be down below in the description. Check it out, guys. You won't be disappointed. And that includes all of the pre-orders as well. All right, so everyone, let me know what you think about this beautiful painting down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And I'm going to end by saying, always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and always stay happy. Again, my name is Jene, and thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and we'll talk again real soon. Bye, guys.